Do you want to learn how to download any YouTube video of your choice? I'm going to show you today how to do it. Let's say you want to download this video. You open it up, okay, and as soon as it starts playing,
from Star Wars to Avatar, the science fiction genre.
pause the video and click on the share button, copy the link, then you come to a website called savefrom.net, paste the video, and then you have it here. This is the video you want to download. Choose the quality you want. You can choose only audio or any other format, and then you hit download, and here is the video downloading. So what if you don't want to download the whole video, you just want to download a part of the video? You watch the video and decide which part you want. Then go to a website called youtube4kdownloader.com, paste the video link in this space. It fetches the YouTube video, and then you set your start time. Take note, this is hours, minutes and seconds. You want to download the video from say 5 minutes 21 seconds up to say 9 minutes 3 seconds. This is just the part you need, from 5 minutes 21 seconds to 9 minutes 3 seconds. That's it. The next thing you do is you scroll down and select the quality of the video that you want and the format. Then scroll down to the bottom, cut and download. The video is downloading, and only the part that I chose will download. I hope you enjoyed the video. Click like, subscribe, share and follow for more updates.